I just want you. I don't play no games. Telling you straight up, you can take my name. I'm no Casanova, I'm more like a soldier, fighting for my chance to make you feel the same. Do you love me, or do you love me not? Do you think I'm on you, or do you think I'm hot? If you have nothing, then I'll be lonely now. If there's something every time at night, could you ever love a fool like me? You might be the one that gives me what I need. I want romance, I want peace serenity. Could you ever love a boy like me? Could you stay at home summer just for me? We could lay all day on an LA beach, and we stare into our eyes until we sleep. Could you ever love a boy like me? Why you like this, huh? Yeah, so we back a little too pretty. I just like the bright side and
Turn it up, Peter!
I'm gonna smile when you're with me. What's the point of being there when you're with me? Why we gotta act too far?
Turn
This
it
is
up!
a Mario Kart. This is no getting head start. No stopping, no block, no chicken, no block. Baby, we can be the best spot. Baby girl, I need you like one time. I'm like a starter. I can be on top like matcha. If you fall down, nigga, gotcha. Need you every day like sriracha.
Wait, where do you go?
Shake it up, cha-cha. Could you ever love a boy like me? You might be the one to give me what I need. I'm a romance, I'm a piece of serenity. Could you ever love a boy like me? Could you stay at home summer just for me? We could lay all day on an LA beach, and we stare into our eyes until we sleep. Could you ever
My heart!
like me? Do you love me, or do you love me not? Do you think I'm on you, or do you think I'm hot? If you have nothing, could I be all you got?
It's on the other side.
If there is something, could we tie the knot? Thank you. Thank you. I know this is all ages. Can I like serenade somebody? But I'll do it very like PG. Should I? Is there a single lady in the crowd that's like down to be put on blast?
Ladies!
Is there anybody down? Can we get a chair? I'm just gonna keep it PG.
Let's go!
Yeah, give me that chair, please. Keep it PG. PG.
Come on!
Okay.
Oh yeah, let's go! Oh, we got it!
Come on, I just need one. Okay.
You can call her master,
What is your
though.
name?
My name is Maisa.
Maisa? Nice to meet you again. I've seen you around a couple other shows, like Second New Year? Second New Year. Thank you for having me. Okay, give me a second. Let me take a water. I think the neighbor is good. Neighbor's good. Normally, I'd be on my usher, but there's no like, can I like do some smooth stuff on this grass? Let's see. Don't laugh at me if I trip, okay? My usher. Okay, so this song's called Koibo Hu, and I am loud, and it means I don't know. So it's a sad song, and for some reason, it's become a serenade song. So a lot of ladies are very delulu to make me want to serenade them to a sad song, but it's just become what it is. So the song is, I don't know where you are, but I still love you. So, all right.